Hey guys, it's Danica and welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be vegan travel snack ideas that you can bring with you on the plane. I know that it can be really fun to travel as a vegan, especially when you're going to a big city and you're excited to discover all the new restaurants and all the new food that you can have. But I know that it could also be quite difficult to travel as a vegan, especially when you're in airports or if you're going to a place that doesn't have many options that are vegan. So I'm leaving for a trip to Cuba really soon. I'm filming this on Friday and I'm actually leaving on Monday as you're watching this. So I was putting together a bunch of snacks that I could bring with me, and I thought it would be such a good idea to share them with you and maybe give you some idea if you're going on the trip soon. I have a lot of snacks to share with you, so without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. The first category of snacks that I'm going to talk about is nuts and seeds. They are really good to bring with you, high in protein, high in fat, and also just a really good overall snack. The first thing that I'm bringing with me is sunflower seeds. I love snacking on these. They are, like I said, really healthy, really good for you. And sometimes when I go to a restaurant and the only option is like a plain salad, I like to like sprinkle that on top and just have it as a good source of protein and healthy fats. Another great seed is hemp hearts. I love this, especially like I said, on top of salads or just a snack like that. It is really healthy, really good. I think I'm gonna say healthy a lot in this video, but these are all healthy and vegan snacks that you can have. This is also something that I want to bring with me. It is healthy and really good. Next up, as nuts, we have cashews. I love cashews. I think they are so good and so healthy for you. I just put them in this little container and you can just bring that with you. I would really like to recommend some fruits and vegetables to you, but on the plane it's not recommended, especially if you fly internationally, to bring fresh fruits or fresh veggies. So the best bet is to bring dried fruits. I have some raisins in here. They're also a pretty good snack. Higher in sugar since they're dry, just an overall good snack. A really good idea would be to mix all of these together. So all of your nuts, all of your seeds, and your dried fruits, and make a trail mix with it. It's easy to travel with, it is vegan, and it is quite foolproof. You can bring it with you at the airport and on the plane. And let's be honest, how much would a trail mix cost at the airport? Airport food is so expensive. I just don't want to pay that. I just don't want to have to think about it. So I bring my own snacks and I'm good with it. For the next category, I have some kind of do-it-yourself snacks. So first up, I showed you in my last video how to make these banana muffins. They're pretty easy to make, they're really healthy, and they can travel really well. You can just add them to a container and bring that with you in your carry-on and eat them on the plane if you want to. They make for a really good breakfast, really filling, high in protein, and just overall a really good healthy snack. I also made a video a while back on some meal prep ideas, and I showed you how to make some energy balls and also how to make some stovetop granola. These are two of my favorite snacks that you can bring with you on the go. It is really easy to pack, it is really filling and delicious. If you want to see these videos, they're going to be right here, and I'm also going to link them down below. Let's move on to the next category, which is breakfast / energy bars. The first breakfast that is really easy to travel with and also really filling and good are these little packets of oatmeal. This one is just the Quaker instant oatmeal maple and brown sugar one. Just these portion size. Put that in a bowl and add some boiling water to it. I think that was just like $2 on Amazon. I bought the majority of this on Amazon, so everything will be linked down below. Next up, I found these. I like to have some protein powder for my breakfast, usually in smoothies, but if I can have smoothies, like I'm gonna be on a trip and I don't have a blender with me, then I like to have some protein powder just with some water or with some non-dairy milk. Because usually I have my protein powder in a really big tub, but I found this box that has these packets in there. That is perfect to travel with. You can just throw that in your bag. It's gonna be a really good and filling breakfast. It has 30 grams of protein in there. With the oatmeal that I showed you, you could also blend that in there and have a really good filling breakfast, or just sprinkle that in some water and have a really good protein shake in the morning. Next up, another of my favorite snacks is a rice cake. I love to have this. They are really low in calories and you can just pretty much add anything you want on top of it. You can add nut butter or tahini, you can add hummus, which is also really good. If you're in a place that has fruits, once you have passed the airport, like when I'm gonna be in Cuba, I can bring that and maybe put some sliced banana on top, and that is a really, really good snack. Let's talk about my favorite granola bars for a minute. These bars are so delicious. They are the Laura Bar peanut butter chocolate chip ones. This little thing has 6 grams of protein, which is actually really good. It says on it that it's gluten-free, dairy-free, vegan. I don't really consider that a meal replacement, but it's a really good snack to have on hand. Another great granola bar and also overall really good brand is the Cliff Bar. I'm sure everybody has seen that. If you're ever at the convenience store and you need a really quick vegan snack, usually these are available everywhere that I've been. In Canada and in the US, I know that these are available. And these one are the chocolate brownie Cliff Bar. These have 10 grams of protein each. Like I said, not really a meal replacement, but a really good snack to have on hand. And like I said, if you're ever stuck and you have nothing to eat and you're road tripping somewhere and you stop at a convenience store, these are pretty much always available. Last but not least, the next category is crunchy snacks. Not really healthy for you, but really good and handy to have. I found on Amazon these little bean things and I thought it was such a good idea. I never heard of this brand before. It's called Enlighten. For a third of a bag, they have 7 grams of protein, which is really good. Haven't tasted it yet, but I'm sure it's really good and also a really good snack to have on hand. And also I wanted to include chips. I don't have any with me at the moment to show you, but usually natural chips are always vegan. Like the Lay's one are one of my favorites, and also the Ruffled Plain are one of my favorite too. Sometimes I'll just grab those at a convenience store and just snack on them. I know they're not really healthy, but it's a good snack to have if you don't have anything. Also the Doritos Sweet Chili Heat are also vegan. Those are really, really good. Usually tortilla chips, pretzels are pretty much always vegan. Just check the ingredients to make sure. But those are a good snack as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe because I upload every single Monday. But next Monday I'm not gonna be uploading any video because I'm gonna be on vacation, so I'm gonna be taking the week off. I hope that's okay. I will try to make a what I eat in a day when I'm traveling in Cuba. If you want to see that, then just let me know in the comments down below. Like I said, everything will be linked in the description if you want to see all of the snacks that I showed you in this video today. I hope you have a really good day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!